A question we often get asked when it comes to robot lawnmowers is, will it go over my gravel driveway? So we decided we stress test two of the robots in our range, a Luba 2 all-wheel drive X and a Yucca Mini, and see how they coped. They're two different machines that have got two different drive methods. So the Yucca Mini is a two-wheel drive machine that's got two caster wheels at the front and then two driven wheels at the back. And then the Luba, as the name would suggest, AWD, all-wheel drive, has two driven wheels at the front and two driven wheels at the back, so it's driven on all four wheels. And the Luba's got a fairly unique design in that it's got this what the manufacturer calls an omni wheel at the front. So there are non-driven casters around the edge, and then the wheel itself is driven, so what you get is a sort of a skid steer effect as it's turning on its axis, and you'll see that demonstrated as the machine is operating. So in principle, a four-wheel drive machine will do a lot better on gravel than a two-wheel drive machine. When you have non-driven wheels at the front, either two like the Yucca here has, or one like some other machines do have, the tendency is for them to get stuck and rutted into the gravel, and then that can lead to situations where the machine's caught or it can't reverse, the wheels skid a lot more, and because you've got the reliance on the back wheel, you see a lot more skidding of that wheel as well, where it's not able to gain as much traction. Whereas on a four-wheel drive machine, it's much easier for the machine to get over those issues and get past anywhere that it's stuck. Now, what I would say is, if you're looking at installing a robot lawnmower and it needs to go over a gravel driveway, you want to make sure that the path that it takes over the gravel driveway is as straight as possible and ideally as short as possible. We drove these machines around a bit manually, and obviously that's a little bit different than the machines functioning autonomously. So I can demonstrate. I'll demonstrate now. You can drive that round, and you can see turning on its own axis is a bit more of a struggle, and getting away and getting out of that situation is just that little bit harder. Whereas with the four-wheel drive machine, you can see it copes a lot more smoothly going over that surface. Now, if I have it turn on its own axis, you can see it is digging in a little bit, but then when I reverse out, reverse back, there's a lot less wheel spin on the surface, and it's getting out of that situation and it's gaining traction a lot better. So what we also did was map this area here and have it acting as if it was mowing. And obviously you're not going to mow your gravel driveway, but that showed the machine going in a straight line and turning on a corner autonomously, and you can just see the difference in performance between the two different platforms. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, please leave a like